Hey guys, today we are going to be introducing Thunkable. And Thunkable allows you to write both iOS and Android apps at the same time. So many of you might have an iPhone or an iPad where in the past we've only written block code with App Inventor, which that only lets you write an app for an Android device. Thunkable allows you to write for both at the same time. And it's very similar to App Inventor in many ways, but also has some different features. So Thunkable is free. There are some paid options, but we're going to use the free version of it. What you're going to do is, if you don't have an account, you're going to click sign up in the top right corner. Okay. And I'm already logged into my account right here. But if I were to click sign in with Google, okay, actually, no, if you were to click no account, create one, that allows you to create an account. Okay, and even if you do not have an account and you click on the create one, you are able to easily create yours with a Google account. So right here, if I say sign in with Google, that allows me to access Thunkable. All you need to do is log into your Gmail or log into your Google account. You should be good. What we're going to do is we're going to create a new app. So you click right here where it says create new app. And I'm going to call this project guessing game. And we are going to create a game that prompts the user to type in a number 1 to 50. And I have this open right here as a project, right? So what the game does, in our app, the computer will pick a random number, a random secret number, 1 to 50, and the user has 10 chances to guess it. After each guess, the computer will tell the user whether they have guessed the correct answer, need to guess lower, or need to guess higher. Upon completion of the game, the user will be prompted whether they would like to play the game again. If the user selects that they would like to play it again, the computer picks a different random number, and the game is repeated. Okay, so let's go through and let's take a look at this. Now, very similar to App Inventor, all the components are on the left side of the screen. Your device and what the user interface looks like is in the middle, and on the right are all the properties. So this is screen one. Let's go ahead and drag some components over. So we are going to need a text input. We are going to need a button. And I'm going to drag that above right there. We are going to need, I'm going to scroll down and get a row. Okay. And inside of this row, we're going to put a few components. We are going to put 3 labels. So let me go ahead and drag over label. Inside of this row, I'm going to click on the row, and the height, instead of fill container, I'm going to say fit contents, so that way it only fits what the contents are inside of it. We have 1 label, we're going to add a 2nd label, and then lastly a 3rd label. Alright, so these are the components that we're going to use in this app. We are, in our next example, going to start naming these and making the layout look nice, as well as explaining what each of these labels is going to do, what this button is going to do, and what this text input is going to do as well.